everybody. It's Amber and Jerry.
Hello, welcome to Amber Marie and Company Live.
Yep, we are live and we're going to be unboxing a fairly new product. Now, maybe we've had it a week or so, but since Mom and I have been gone, we haven't had the chance to share this amazing new product with you. So today we're going to be reviewing
Pirani,
that's right.
Pirani cups. They're fabulous, wonderful. You're going to love them.
Now, I'll tell you how much you're going to love them.
How much?
I got a sample. I have this little size right here, and it's a sample cup. And I took it home, and I hadn't really told Mom much about Pirani yet. And all of a sudden, the next day, somebody was using it. And I was like, hey, that's my cup. And she was like, your cup? And I was like, yeah, it's mine. So let's dig right in. Let's talk about this. But first of all, let's talk about liking, subscribing, and then you'll be able to know every time we have, ooh, Winston is over there making noise. Every time we have new products, you'll be the first ones to see it right here. So let's talk about Pirani here in just 1 second. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Okay, so as you can see, Pirani comes in a lot of different colors.
Oh, look at these colors.
What's your favorite color, Mom?
Oh, that's so hard. I love this blue.
Winston's going crazy over there.
And this is a great red. Look at that.
It's a good red.
It's really good. It's more of a glossy red, and this is more matte.
Yep.
Oh, and the black is a black matte. That's great for a guy.
So obviously there's a lot of really pretty
yellow.
Colors. Yeah, look how fun that yellow is.
I like that.
Lots of great colors, but that's not what makes Pirani so special. So first of all, what's really, really cool is it says party sustainably. So you can tell that it's supposed to look like a solo cup, right?
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Because it has these little...
Am I calling it Pirani? It's Pirani. Like piranha, but Pirani.
Pirani.
Well, whatever.
Insulated party tumbler.
Pirani's is a place in Texas.
Yes.
I don't know.
Pirani Ranch.
Yeah, never know about me. Who knows? But anyways, it's Pirani. P-I-R-A-N-I. Insulated party tumbler. So that means if you get this, you got a party.
Oh, yes.
Are you going to party?
Absolutely.
Okay, so, yeah, did you see how hard it was to pull that off?
Yes.
That's because it is vacuum sealed.
Vacuum sealed.
So
Look at that.
You put that top on and it creates that vacuum.
Oh.
And it is really hard to get that off. So you have to lift this almost to get that lid off to release that vacuum. So that's what's really nice is, first of all, it's a vacuum insulated tumbler when you have this on. And then let me show you here real close, up close and personal here with this Pirani. So you can see it's double insulated, but it's very thin, which I like about that too.
I don't like a big old thick one. I like this.
It fits in a cup holder really nicely too. And you can see just like a solo cup, you have all the lines for the measurements of like where you want to pour. So like if you want a shot, if you want double shots, etc., anything like that, if you're pouring a mixed drink, that's what's really nice about this too, is it has all of those lines in it.
And you know, 500 billion cups end up every year in the landfill. 500 billion.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
I wish I had $500 billion.
Disposable cups. Yeah, I do too. $1 for each cup.
Yeah, that'd be great, wouldn't it?
So this is not a single-use cup. You use this over and over, but it looks like a single-use cup. And it's great because... I'll show you something here.
So this is a 16 ounce that we're holding right now.
It's stackable.
Yes.
See how it stacks? It's great. You can, because most of them don't stack.
No, you can't do that with any other tumbler that you have. None of them stack up. This one does stack up, and it's dishwasher safe.
Yes.
So you can throw this in the dishwasher. I love that about it, actually.
I love that too.
Easily stackable, vacuum insulated, leak-proof lid. So really, when you put that lid on, it is extremely hard to get it off without lifting that. So you put that lid on and that vacuum seals that baby so that lid does not fall off. If you've ever had a tumbler that you have accidentally dropped or knocked it over, those lids usually they pop off really, really quickly. So this thing is really hard to get off. I mean, you can, but it's hard until you pop that top and release that seal. Yeah, for sure. So that's really what's great about this. And there was one other thing. It's skinny walled. Look, it says skinny walled.
Skinny.
Triple insulated. So it's skinny walled. I think that that's great. That actually has a place on the bottom where you can put your name on it. These are $25.99. And I'm telling you, it's one of my favorite things. I love larger cups because I like to make a big drink.
I do too.
But I have
this
this, and I still love it.
I know, it's a good one.
Yeah.
It's that's great for coffee too, or tea. But it's going to hold a whole Coke.
Yeah.
A bottle of Coke.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to hold a whole can of Coke right there.
It will. So
therefore, you're not going to drink too many.
Now, don't put it in the microwave.
No.
Don't cook in it or freeze in it.
No.
And don't overfill, it says.
Drink
Who's going to overfill it?
Well, I always overfill mine, and then I drink a little bit off.
Yeah, okay.
So the colors are red.
Oh, here, hand it to me. Let's show them.
Okay, here's a red one.
All right, so then, so that was a 16 ounce, and then we also have, this one is the what? How many ounces? 26.
26.
Okay, so there's a 26, and you can just see, I'm going to hold them right here side by side. You can see the difference. This is $25.99, and this one's $32.99. Mm-hmm. So the colors are red. Look at that pretty red. So this could go for all kinds of colleges. That could also be an OU, I think, too.
Yeah.
And then here's the black. So you can see the black is a little bit more matte in color. Mm-hmm. You can see that.
Great for a graduation gift.
Mm-hmm. Here's a white. And again, these are stackable. So the stackables, or the white is kind of a matte also on it. So there's white.
This is a deep blue.
Ooh, deep blue, like deep blue sea. That is a pretty blue.
That is a pretty blue.
Mm-hmm. Really pretty blue. Okay.
This one's called Paradise.
Oh, yes. Doesn't that look like paradise? Look at that. This is one of my favorite colors.
I love it. I love that.
It's kind of the in between a Caribbean blue and like a Tiffany blue.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
This one's called Solar, our Pistol Pete.
Yeah. And you know, I think it was Leanne was telling me that at one of the resorts that she goes to, I believe that this is the cup that they give you for your refillable. So they use this cup at that resort. And she was telling me all about that. And I was like, well, do they give you the small cups or the big ones? She goes, no, it's the small ones. So I was like, okay. Yeah. And then how about this really pretty yellow color? I love it. It's kind of a bright yellow, but also kind of that banana yellow. So it's really pretty.
It's a really pretty yellow. I like it.
Mm-hmm.
I really do like that one.
Yeah. So you can't go wrong with any of them.
What's your favorite color?
Yeah. We want to know what your favorite color is.
What do you like?
What do you think? If you have used Pirani before, let us know your experience with them. Again, dishwasher safe. They are stackable, and they really do great. I mean, keeping your drink.
Drinkable.
They're triple insulated, but they're that thin triple insulated.
And they're easy to hold because right down here you can hold it.
Yeah.
They fit in your cup holder really well.
Mm-hmm.
They're just a really great vacuum sealed insulated cup.
Yep. They're wonderful. Great for, boating season, floating at the river, maybe, whatever you might do, any outdoor activity, ball games. Oh my gosh, Mom and I were talking about when my brother played baseball in the summer. We had every insulated cup imaginable, every outdoor fan you could think of. If it spritzed water and was a fan, we had it. And
so we didn't have anything this nice.
No, we didn't have anything this nice.
We had little plastic ones.
But just thinking about that, prepping for that.
Yeah, I mean, if you've got a kid playing ball, you need something like this.
Mother's Day, Father's Day, pickleball,
graduation,
tennis,
baseball,
graduation would be
football.
Fun. You could take this and just fill it up with gift cards in it. Would be fun.
It'd be fun.
And lottery tickets.
Yeah, so come in to Amber Marie and Company and pick up one for your favorite person, maybe you, at 91st and Yale or at Utica Square. Also, they're available online.
Yep, you can shop 24/7 on ambermarieandco.com, and we have all of them. Send them as a gift if you want, or, what is it? What's the story? 1 for thee and 2 for me?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to our channel here because we're always doing reviews over our favorite products and anything new that we get into Amber Marie & Company.
That's right. See you next time.